Okay. Oh, it's here. Well, that's new carpet. Oh!
Ball bumper.
Oh, the bumper.
Wait, no electric price.
It looks like Amco maintained it and now it's Otis again.
Wait, I want to see. Oh no. Oh yeah, there's 5.
5 button's been replaced. It's a bigger button.
Yeah.
Does the indicator work? Yes.
So this one doesn't have electric eyes, just bumper.
Nah, it's completely original apart from that phone, which is an Otis phone.
Yeah, you usually see Schindler phones and.
Well, it depends who did the maintenance. Clearly, Schindler have never had the country bumper. Yeah.
Wait for.
The bumper's attached to the door, so don't kick it, mate.
I just.
Right, should we go down?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Down arrow lights up. Capacity. I haven't really filmed any capacities today, that's shocking. I nearly always do capacities.
Yeah. Perfect.
G's burned out.
Want to take it on another ride?
Be my guest. Not for long, it's bloody hot in here.
Do a whole look. Yeah.
I think someone's coming. Let's go. Oh no, I think it was just a shadow, someone passing us. That is so rare to find bumpers. I want to see if you can see out these vents at the bottom. No.
Yeah, I filmed one with
Some
the original
modern
bumper in Dunedin.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing that. There was a guy I followed on Flickr who lives in Dunedin. He used to post pictures of lift buttons.
Yeah.
That was about it. So I'm wondering if any of them will pop up in your videos.
Yeah, I filmed quite a 48 lifts. And I did get one of those ones. I'm pretty sure the one with Kone buttons, whatever they are, KSS like 520 or something.
Ah. Do you like the Australian version?
Yeah.
Okay. The bumpers are gold as well. Yeah, in places like Hong Kong and China, they used to still use bumpers in like the 1990s.
Yeah.
Because I filmed some Mitsubishis in a hotel in Hong Kong.
Yeah.
That were 1990s Mitsubishi and they had bumpers.